All right, good afternoon. So today we are going to fix a broken down sink. As you can see, the threads were destroyed. Uh, the PVC pipe was eaten together with a flexible P by rats. So we are going to replace this and that, and also the flexible tube was also, the flexible connector was also destroyed. It was eaten, so apparently it has a leak. So yeah, stay tuned as I work around the sink and probably get it running once again. Okay, yeah, so this is how bad it was eaten. This is how bad the trap was eaten as well. So this is the stage where I was wrapping the thread tape or Teflon tape. So this is a very important step because as a guide or a tip, always wrap the thread tape on the clockwise direction because it holds firmly, especially when you are threading in your nut or your, yeah, or any fixture that you might be threading in. So it avoids the aspect of it getting loose. So always uh, thread using the clockwise direction. It really holds. This is a part where I had to test the leak, if at all there is any possible leak. So it's also very important to always make sure you test if what you've installed has a potential leak. Very important step as well. by now I was done, and I was just making sure everything is working perfectly.